Slides AI is a presentation design platform that allows users to create professional-looking slides and presentations using artificial intelligence. Here are the steps you can follow to use Slides AI. Go to the Slides AI website, https://slidesai.io/right and sign up for an account. Once you have signed up, you can choose to either start a new presentation from scratch or upload an existing PowerPoint presentation. If you choose to start a new presentation, you can select a template from the available options or start with a blank canvas. Once you have selected a template or started a new presentation, you can use the various design tools and features available on the platform to customize your slides. These may include options to add text, images, shapes, and other design elements. As you work on your presentation, SlideSai's artificial intelligence features will suggest design elements and layout options to help you create a professional-looking presentation. When you are finished creating your presentation, you can save it or export it to PowerPoint or PDF format. You can also share your presentation with others by generating a link or embedding it on your website. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.